What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Purry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And I wanted to talk to you guys tonight about crypto, an impending recession, inflation, and all of that, and how it ties into cleaning and service businesses. So here's the thing. I built my cleaning business, I built my service business, I sell locations, and then I take that money and I invest into things. I've never invested into crypto, but I invested into things riskier than crypto, which is trucking, right? I wouldn't recommend either of the two. You only see me here recommending one thing, which is cleaning and service businesses, because people need the service, because everybody's not broke. Some people have money and they don't have time. So here's my thing. With crypto going down, inflation going up, I've been seeing a lot of micro hotels, the true hotels, the extended stays going up because we're still in a housing shortage, right? So we still have a housing crisis here. We don't have enough housing for the people we have in the country. So what does that mean for us as cleaners, post-construction cleaners, as painters, as pressure washers, as window cleaners? What does that mean for us? There's an opportunity for money. So I have one question. I want to know where you guys are located that are watching, and if you have noticed a lot of hotels going up or a lot of senior living communities going up, because a good bit of our population is of the active senior living age, 55 and older, right? And then if you're noticing, if you're paying attention, because mindset is everything, that's the first thing I teach in this course. If you're paying attention, also in those active living senior communities, they also have what goes into memory care. So they're just taking people from one phase of their life all the way to death. They have hospice care, and then you go to the graveyard, right? So what I want you guys to start paying attention to is the amount of hotels that's going up, because a lot of y'all feel like, man, I'm scared. Maybe I need to do just one house, one townhouse, one mansion, one condo, one whatever. That's not what's getting built right now. There are townhouse communities getting built. There are single family home communities getting built. I know that there are more hospitals getting built than that. But outside of all of that, the hotels, the extended stays, the true locations, the Holiday Inns, the Hampton Inns, those things are going up in droves all over, because more people can't afford to make 3 times what it costs to be able to apply and get approved for apartments, so they're having to go and stay in these other places, right? They're suitable places. They have everything you need to stay, and there's nothing wrong with them, but that's an opportunity for us as service business owners to make money. So I just wanted you guys to pay attention to that, tap into that, jump down in the comments and let me know where you guys are at, and if you're seeing the things that I'm seeing. A lot of hotels going up, a lot of active senior livings with memory care, and also the live, eat, work, dine, play situations for those people to just be able to come downstairs in the elevator, get some food, go back upstairs. There's an urgent care around the block, all of those things for our aging citizens in the country. But again, it's Purry signing off. All service business, all success, service business simplified, man. You got to open your minds to what's going on, man. The opportunity is out there. Peace.